What are you doing now? What are you going to do now? Angel, what are you going to do now? Huh? Oh, Angel, what are you going to do now? Angel, you want my hand? You go up, down, up, down. Well, what's the story? Should we go up? Should we go down? Did you dirty my shirt? Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Would you make a hole? You made a hole. You did. You. Ha 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 ha. Woo, Angel. Look, did you make a hole? Ouch, my shirt. In my shirt. It made a. What'd you do that for, huh? That's my camera, nuts. That's my camera. You want my camera? You Angel. Whoa, Angel. You want my camera? Chibi-chibi-doo. Ah! What, Angel? What do you want? Well, huh? What are you doing? Angel, where are you? There you are. Down. Where's Angel, Midnight? Huh? Where's Angel? There you are. Down. Exercise for today. Taking a bird and go up and down. Up and down. Gee whiz. It's like weights. How much you weigh, Angel? What? What do you want? TV? Look at TV. You see TV? No. Angel, my pretty bird. My pretty bird. What are you gonna do? You gonna attack the camera? You ain't gonna attack the camera? Hey? No. Midnight. What are we gonna do with Angel? Hang on. Yeah, Angel. Hey, wanna go to Melissa? No! What'd you do that for? Are you in bad mood? Oh. Well, young lady, what are you going to do today? What are you going to do now? No. Close that mouth. Close the beak. Close it. Close it. Disappear. What's that, Angel? What's that? You see? There you are. What's this? There you are. Ooh, we go flying in the air. She's a little angel girl. Little angel. It's Midnight. Look at Midnight. Midnight. Hey, girl. Whoa, what? Chris Angel.
I'm about to take that poster.
Why?
I'm bored.
Ouch! Where you going? Where you going?